Hi everyone, this is Jody. In today's 2-minute tutorial, we are going to be showing you how to add a nail head detail to the exterior of this little chair. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. The extension that I'm going to be using for this is called Copy Along Curve, and you can get that from the extension warehouse. And what I'm going to do is I have a little button here that I've modeled that is going to be our nail head that goes all the way around. And we're just going to go ahead and get started with this. I'm going to go into my model here, click into the component, into the group, and I'm going to select the line that I want to use as a reference for these nail heads. I'm going to go all the way around. Once I've got the whole line selected, I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. I'm going to come all the way out of my group, and then I'm going to edit, Paste in Place. Now if you'll notice, if I hide my chair, I have just that line that shows up, and this is the path that we're going to use to put our little button around. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up to our extensions, and we're going to say select the Copy Along Curve. We're going to select our button, and then we're going to select our curve. And what you can see is that this extension shows you where all the items are going to be, and you can change the spacing if you want it to be maybe 0.75 inches. You can see that things get closer together. Or if we want it to be 1.5 inches, they spread out a little bit. But you'll also notice that they're not on this line. So what we really need to do is we need to take this button, and it needs to be actually in position on the line where we want it to start from. So I'm just going to line it up here. And now if I go and I do that again, extensions, Copy Along Curve, select my this has to be a component, select my component, and then select my curve. Now you can see things are showing up where I want them to be, and if I show my chair here, you'll be able to see I want to change the spacing so that it's a little bit closer. Let's do 7/8 inches. That's pretty good. And I'll go ahead and hit the left arrow or left mouse button to make that selection, and you can see that we've added that nail head all the way around. Because this is a component, if I make any changes to this component, say I want to scale it down a little bit, make it a little bit smaller, and there you have it. A nice little nail head detail on our chair.